My dangerous idea is that we should legalize all of the currently illegal drugs, not just marijuana, but cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine, LSD, everything else that's out there. My basic argument is that, first, in a free society, we should allow people to consume whatever they want, no matter how dangerous, no matter how much it might be bad for them, because that's what freedom means. Not just the freedom to do things that are good for you, but the freedom to do things that might not be good for you, or that other people might think are not good for you.
I smell printers. Oh.
FBI, open up!
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Smell a burn. Alright, job here's done. That was fun.